In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Hubspot from Outlook. If you've been wanting to streamline your Outlook settings by getting rid of Hubspot but aren't sure where to start, you're in the right place. We're going to walk through this process step by step, so by the end of this video, you'll have a clutter-free Outlook. Right, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app. If you haven't already, just locate it on your desktop or start menu and double-click to open it. Depending on your version, it may take a moment to load, so feel free to grab a drink while you wait. Once that's open, go ahead and log into your account. It's essential to ensure you use the correct credentials here, so double check your email and password if needed. Once you're logged into Outlook, you'll want to head over to the settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Click on that and a drop down menu will appear. Here you might find numerous options, but don't let that overwhelm you. Our focus is straightforward today. Next, in the settings menu, navigate to the account section. This is where your main preferences and applications that are linked to your Outlook account are stored. Once you're there, look around for Hubspot in the list of services. You're looking for a section that lists out all the various integrations and connections. Take your time here. It's important to carefully locate Hubspot to avoid making any unwanted changes to other services. Now, having found Hubspot, you're going to click on the Manage option. This will bring up additional settings specifically related to Hubspot. You should find a Remove option here. Clicking this option will initiate the removal process. The system might ask you to confirm your decision to remove Hubspot, at which point you'll choose an option that signifies removal. At this stage, the final step is to click on OK to confirm everything. The system appreciates clarity, so confirming this is key to successfully completing the task. After doing this, Hubspot should no longer be linked to your Outlook account, leading to a simpler and more efficient user experience. And there you have it, a clean and Hubspot-free Outlook app in just a few short steps. Remember, if you encounter any trouble during this process, you can always revisit these steps to make sure everything was done correctly. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this has been helpful for all your Outlook customization needs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe and like for more useful guides. See you next time.